Hey kids, so a bit of a unplanned unboxing for you today. I've actually won a competition on Instagram, which I've never done before. Fantastic. The competition allowed me to pick a pair of trainers from a website, which I'll discuss shortly, and I picked these, the Topanga Clean. They've appealed to me since I've seen them, but I was probably, in all honesty, going to wait for them, in a sales rack maybe, but hey, I've won a pair, so I thought I'd unbox them today for you. Take a look. So let's put the lid here. As you can see in here, the first thing I'll get is from the shop, the store that ran the competition. So congratulations from Originals Footwear. So I'll put a link down the bottom to their website and also to their Instagram. Really pleased to have one made up. I'll also put a link to Dazzler's Finest's Instagram. He ran the competition on behalf of the Originals Footwear store. So let's get that out of the way. Let's get the Topangas out. Let's have a look. I went for these green. This green option here. Really surprised how nice quality these are. First of all, the tongue detail looks fantastic. The contrast to the rest of the shoe, gold leaf. Got Topanga on the side. And the quality of the suede is excellent. So I'll do my I'll rub both way test. So you can all see that, really nice quality. We'll do front to back. Inside there. Plain heel tab. And focus. Underneath. Just zigzags underneath. But if we compare them to regular Topanga, it's a nice alternative, I think. So, as always, I'll throw these on my feet now, so you can have a look some on foot shots, and I'll catch you next time.